In this module, we will discuss additional FMS CDU pages and standby navigation. Our discussion of additional pages will include the Fix page, Progress page, Radio Update Inhibiting, Menu page, the EFIS Control page, and the ICAS Control page. Let's first discuss the Fix page.
There are two Fix pages. Pushing the Fix key displays the first Fix page. Pushing the next page key displays the second Fix page.
Entering a fix calculates the bearing and distance from the fix and displays the fix with a green circle on the ND.
Entering a bearing only displays a radial line on the navigation display. The FMC calculates the distance on that bearing from the fix to the route and displays that distance on the Fix page.
Entering a distance only displays a distance circle around the fix. The bearing to the nearest intersection of the route and distance circle is calculated and displayed on the Fix page. Performance predictions of ETA, distance to go, and altitude are displayed for the point where the bearing or distance intersect the route.
Entering both a bearing and a distance displays both the radial line and the distance circle on the navigation display. No performance predictions are displayed.
Selecting a beam displays information for the point on the route that is abeam the entered fix.
A green dashed line from the fix to the route displays the bearing on the ND navigation display. Pushing the Erase Fix key deletes all fix information from the Fix page and the ND.
The predicted ETA altitude line is used to display estimates of airplane position. Entering an altitude displays the predicted position along the route where that altitude is reached. The distance to that point is displayed on the Fix page. Entering a time followed by a Z displays the airplane's predicted position along the route at that time.
Let's now discuss the Progress page.
Pushing the Progress key displays the Progress page. The Progress page displays information relative to the progress of the flight. The last waypoint line displays waypoint identifier, crossing altitude and actual time of arrival, and fuel at the last waypoint. The to and next waypoint lines display waypoint identifier, distance to go, and estimated time of arrival from present position to that waypoint. The fuel remaining at the waypoint is also displayed. The destination waypoint line is displayed with the distance to go, ETA, and fuel remaining. Any other waypoint may be entered onto the destination line if desired. A different destination waypoint may be entered. If the waypoint is an active route waypoint, an route waypoint is displayed. The distance to go, ETA, and fuel information assume the flight plan is flown to that waypoint. A different destination waypoint is entered that is an off-route waypoint. Direct to alternate is displayed in the destination line. The information displayed is based on present position direct to the waypoint. The VNAV speed line displays the active VNAV speed. In this example, economy speed is displayed. VNAV speed modes are discussed in the VNAV module. The to line displays ETA and distance to the next VNAV profile point. In this example, top of descent is displayed. Pushing the next page key displays page 2 of the progress page. Let's discuss this page.
The wind line contains headwind and tailwind information.
The wind bearing information is in true. The left or right crosswind is also displayed. Cross-track and vertical track errors are displayed. In this example, the cross-track error is left 1/10 of a mile, and the vertical track error is plus 10 feet.
True airspeed is displayed in knots.
The static air temperature is also displayed. The individual engine and total fuel used is displayed.
The fuel quantity line displays the totalizer fuel and the calculated fuel as discussed in the fuel modules. Remember that totalizer quantity displayed is determined by the fuel quantity indicating system. The totalizer fuel quantity is not displayed if the fuel quantity indicating system is inoperative, fails in flight, a manual fuel entry is made, or the calculated fuel use prompt at the 5R key is selected. Prior to engine start, the display beside the 6R key indicates fuel quantity calculated by the fuel quantity processor. After engine start, it displays calculated fuel quantity by subtracting computed fuel flow from the fuel on board at engine start. Calculated quantity is not displayed if the fuel flow sensors are inoperative or fail, or when the totalizer fuel use prompt at the 5L key is selected.
The use prompt is displayed when a 4,080 kilogram or greater discrepancy is detected between totalizer fuel and calculated fuel. Pushing either Use line select key selects the fuel quantity to be used by the FMC. The other quantity blanks. This selection remains in effect for the rest of the flight. Let's now discuss radio update inhibiting.
With the position initialization page displayed, pushing the next page key displays the position reference page.
The radio update line is used to remove radio refinements from the FMC position.
With purge displayed on the radio update line, pushing the radio update line select key displays the combined IRS positions on the FMC position line. The radio update line now becomes purge armed, and confirm is displayed on the radio update line. With confirm displayed on the purge armed line, pushing the purge armed line select key removes radio refinements from the FMC position.
Purge is displayed on the radio update line, and radio updating resumes.
With confirm displayed on the purge armed line, leaving and returning to the position reference page returns the FMC position and radio update lines to their original values.